It tastes like hot fudge in a cup.
Ben, yeah.
We have a good story for you.
A few.
Hailey has been on her A game today. Okay, the train, I was like, this is our stop. We need to get off. So I got all my stuff. I'm walking out. Hailey took...
I'm behind you. I'm right behind you.
I got off the train, turned around, and the door shut, and Hailey's on the other side looking through the window. Oh no! Oh no, what do I do?
And the French police.
I've had no idea what they were saying.
They were telling me that I had to keep riding onto the next stop and then turn around, but I wasn't able to tell Drew I had to do that.
Right. And then the conductor gets out from the front of the train way down and starts yelling at me in French.
The conductor.
But I could tell I was yelling back. I was like, no français, no français. So I ran all the way down there.
And he couldn't see me,
And
but
I couldn't see her.
on the inside, they were yelling at me to also run down in the middle of the train with my backpack. So I had to run down, and I was probably hitting people with my backpack.
And I'm sitting there trying to tell him, I'm like, she needs to come out. And anyway, by the time I got there, she ran out.
We made it out. But next, we had to get on a bus.
They sell the tickets usually at if there's a station at the stop or on the bus. We waited, the bus finally got there. I get on and I show him the card, like I'll pay with the card, and he's like, no card, that's all he could say. And I'm like, great. I was like, no money, no money then. So I got back off the bus.
Yeah, we walked off and just looked clueless.
We just looked like, what are we going to do then? Because we're kind of out in the middle of nowhere at a bus stop, basically. Because there was no one on the bus. It was a totally empty bus.
And he just sat there and watched.
Thinking.
And then he felt bad for us.
So then he's like waving to come back on.
And he gave us a free ride.
Yeah.
Long story shorter.
Long story shorter.
So we had a free bus ride to our Airbnb. Welcome to the smallest apartment ever.
It's the best though. It has everything we need. I can almost touch.
We could probably touch together. So this turns into a bed. Oh yeah. Bathroom.
Oh wow. I wish we were staying here longer.
And a little kitchen. Yeah. So we are in Sanary, and we're gonna just go for it.
Since we got our own place, we finally have the amenities to iron and wash our clothes.
In the sink. We've had washing machines, but this is our own.
Yeah. And we're gonna have coffee just because we can.
Real life. You know how Drew was just saying we were excited to make our own coffee. Literally 2 minutes after he just said that, I broke the coffee pot. The pot shattered.
It fell off and shattered everywhere.
Luckily, there wasn't any coffee in it yet. We might have to buy a new coffee pot.
She's struggling.
Tell me everything's okay.
Everything's okay.
We are out on the town. The streets are like empty. It's so nice.
This is like such a good little place, little village.
So interesting fact about towns in France.
Nothing's open until 7 p.m. for dinner. For food.
You can drink before that, but you can't eat. So we're waiting to eat. We're gonna go by the water. I'm in love, and I don't care who knows it. So cute. So many little bubbles. So we are at, of all things, an American diner.
I didn't know that's what this was, to be fair.
What do you mean?
It had super good reviews and it's right by the ocean.
Yes. But my burger is called the Trump Burger, so that's fun. We got our wine and the quietest night we've ever had.
It is so quiet. And it smells like fresh outdoors.
He's all about the smells.
Ah, it smells so good.
Business on the top, party on the bottom. Happy Wednesday. We made our own breakfast this morning in our little kitchenette over there.
It was yummy.
It was nice. And we're kind of taking it easy this morning, but we'll explore this afternoon, I'm sure. We actually need our sunglasses.
And it feels good.
These streets are amazing. So quiet. Walked all the way up that to a church up here with a view, I think. We accidentally got a sandwich with fries in it. But it looks good.
It's steak and fries.
Okay, update. It's really good. Is it so good? This is our first time having ice cream. Our whole trip. It's a good first time. Today is just a relax and have lots of food day. Finally making ourselves dinner. Let's see if this works out. I did it. Hopefully, we'll see. This is our laundry. The first thing he says is, it's different.
It is. It's French. It's different. It tastes different.
Nutella crepes-ish. Nutella tortillas. Close enough. So this morning started out a little rough for me. I spilled an entire cup of coffee on the ground. I was like, I didn't know how much this lady was gonna charge us for the coffee pot that I broke. Lady comes to check us out, the cutest little apartment, and she said, just give me 5 stars on Airbnb and we're good. So that was a blessing because we thought we were gonna spend at least 20 euro.
So there's that, and then we thought we were gonna have to walk 30 some minutes to the station, and she said, do you want me to give you a lift? And we said, yes,
please.
So we got in her super old 1992 French something car, and
it was cute.
It was a cute little
She's cute.
thing.
That was a blessing. Thank you, Lord. The train is late. The train is late. The train is late. We made it to Antibes. It's so nice. The weather's so nice.
Yeah,
like the best Airbnb ever for our price range.
Yeah, it's super nice.
You just walk in, studio, bath right here, bathroom. Hello.
I wish we would have booked more nights.
I know. Well, probably could. She gave us wine. It's such a nice kitchen. And we have a balcony. And the ocean's right over there. Just a short walk from our place is the water. So nice. So blue. We just ate dinner out here. We are loving this Airbnb. It is 8:40. Turn right.
Okay.
And it is the first time we're getting out today.
Well, first time I'm getting out.
I went to the grocery store. But super quiet, super nice out.
We're going out to Din Din.
I picked the restaurant. We'll see how it goes. Oh man. Took a walk to the water.
Can you see the city light?
Yeah, there's the city skyline way over there.
Oh, you can't really tell.
No one's here on the street. We get in the teeniest little elevator.
Watch it close. Oh, you can see it.
And there's a door, and then this will close. That's all there is to it. That was very attractive.